Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to tackle a common issue many of you might have faced while using Discord. The awaiting endpoint error. The error can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to join a voice channel or connect with your friends. Let's dive into what causes this error and how you can fix it. The awaiting endpoint error typically occurs due to a few reasons. A slow internet connection, a server outage on the Discord end, or sometimes an updated app version. If you're experiencing this issue, don't worry, we've got you covered. First, try restarting Discord. Sometimes these simple steps can resolve the issue. Make sure to close all background processes and then reopen the app. Ensure your internet connection is stable. You can perform a speed test on speedtest.net to check your upload and download speeds. If your connection is slow, consider restarting your modem or switching to a different network. If you're a server administrator trying changing the server region, this can sometimes resolve connectivity issues. To do thing, go to server settings, select overview and change the server region to a different location. Make sure you're using the latest version of Discord. An outdated app can cause connectivity problems. You can check for updates by pressing Ctrl plus R on Windows or Command plus R on Mac. So that is it. Steps should help you fix awaiting endpoint error on Discord. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech-related problem-solving content. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.